All right, everyone, buckle up. Welcome to the whistle stop tour of AI history, where the robots are sassy and the algorithms have attitude. First stop, the 1950s. Meet Alan Turing, the chap who basically asked, "Can a machine trick you into thinking it's human?" Spoilers, it's getting weirdly close. Then came Eliza, the first chatbot therapist. "How does that make you feel?" she'd ask, while probably just rearranging your own words. Sneaky. Next, the 80s. Expert systems arrived like nerdy librarians telling everyone the rules. Then, Deep Blue stomped onto the scene, checkmating the world's best chess player and probably not even saying good game. A bit rude, honestly. Flash forward, and we've got Roombas comically failing to avoid socks in AlphaGo, the Zen master of Go, playing moves so brilliant, humans just stared in awe. Now, we're chatting with LLMs that can write a poem, give you a recipe, and then completely misunderstand your next question. What a ride! If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments which AI legend we should roast next.